All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to convert layers to files. So let's do File, New, and we're going to do a default Photoshop size document. I'm going to hit Create. And we're going to go down here to the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to click twice. This first layer, I'm going to give the color black. The second layer, we're going to grab the marquee tool, and I'm going to double-click on the black here and make a red color, and then paste that into the square. And we're going to save this as Untitled 12. Okay, hit save. Then what I want to do is I want to convert these layers to files. So I'm going to do File, and make sure that you're on layer 2. So I'll do File, Export, Layers to Files. So the file name prefix is going to be layer 2. Okay, and I'm going to run it. Okay, it was successful. Now I'm going to do the same for layer 1. So let's do File, Export, Layers to Files, and I'm going to call this layer 1. Hit Run, and Export Layers to Files was successful. So let's hit Control W to close that, and let's minimize Photoshop. And now you can see layer 1 and layer 2. Okay. So it successfully exported those files from layers to files. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.